Hello, heroes. Semi-trucks are the backbone of our nation. They are the unsung heroes of our economy, tirelessly moving goods across vast distances. They haul everything we need, from food to fuel and everything in between. Without them, our shelves would be empty, and our lives would come to a standstill. These rigs are tough, built to withstand the harshest conditions and the longest hauls. But even the strongest truck has weaknesses, hidden beneath its robust exterior. Hidden faults, those sneaky problems you don't see coming, can cause major headaches. These issues lurk in the shadows, waiting to strike when you least expect it. We're talking expensive repairs, lost time on the road, and even safety hazards. A breakdown can mean missed deliveries, unhappy customers, and a significant hit to your bottom line. Today we're getting our hands dirty and talking about those hidden gremlins that can sabotage your rig. These are the issues that can turn a smooth ride into a nightmare. Remember that old saying, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure? It's a timeless piece of wisdom that holds especially true in the world of trucking. Nowhere is that truer than with semi-trucks. Regular maintenance and thorough inspections can catch small problems before they become big ones. Catching small problems early can save you big bucks and keep you rolling. It's about being proactive, not reactive. We're going to dive into the most common hidden faults, the ones that can really bite you if you're not careful. These are the issues that every trucker and mechanic should be aware of. We'll talk about how to spot them, how to fix them, and most importantly, how to prevent them in the first place. Prevention is the key to keeping your rig on the road and out of the shop. This ain't about scaring you, it's about empowering you. Knowledge is your best tool in the fight against hidden faults. Knowledge is power, and knowing what to look for can make all the difference. It can mean the difference between a minor repair and a major overhaul. So, let's roll up our sleeves, grab our toolboxes, and get down to business. It's time to take control of your truck's health and ensure it stays in top condition. It's time to talk truck maintenance, the dirty jobs way. Let's get started and keep those wheels turning. Brakes, the unsung heroes of the road. They're the most important safety feature on your truck, bar none. Without them, every journey becomes a gamble. When they fail, it's not a matter of if, but when things go wrong. And when they do, the consequences can be catastrophic. And believe me, it won't be pretty. The aftermath of a brake failure can be devastating, both in terms of human life and financial cost. Worn brake pads are a common culprit. They might seem insignificant, but they play a crucial role in your braking system. They might start with a little squeal, a bit of grinding, or a spongy feel to the pedal. These are early warning signs that should never be ignored. These symptoms indicate that your brakes are not functioning at their best. Ignore those signs, and you're playing with fire. The longer you wait, the worse it gets. That squealing is the sound of metal grinding on metal, a sure sign your pads are toast. This can lead to more expensive repairs down the line. Replacing them promptly can save you from bigger headaches. And that spongy pedal? It means you're losing stopping power, fast. This can be incredibly dangerous, especially in emergency situations. Don't wait for a dashboard light to tell you something's wrong. By then, it might be too late. Regular brake inspections are crucial. They can catch issues before they become serious problems. Check your pads, rotors, and brake lines for wear and tear. These components work together to ensure your truck stops when it should. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, find a mechanic you trust and get it done. Professional help can make all the difference. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Knowing your brakes are in top condition allows you to drive with confidence, ensuring safety for you and everyone else on the road. You might think windshield wipers are a small thing. And yeah, compared to your engine or transmission, they are. But don't let that fool you. They're more important than you think. Especially when you're hauling a heavy load in a downpour. Cracked, torn, or worn-out wiper blades are a recipe for disaster. They won't clear your windshield properly, leaving you with streaks and blurry patches. That's bad news when you're trying to navigate through a storm or heavy traffic. The fix is simple. Replace your wiper blades regularly. Don't wait until they're falling apart. It's a cheap and easy fix that can save you a lot of trouble down the road. And while you're at it, top up your wiper fluid too. You can add 2 or 3 cups of ammonia to your washer fluid and it will clean better and last longer. You never know when you'll need a clear view. Section 4, shining a light on safety. The importance of headlights. Headlights, they seem like a no-brainer, right? But you'd be surprised how many truckers neglect these essential safety features. Driving at night or in low light conditions with dim or faulty headlights is like navigating a minefield blindfolded. Dim headlights can be caused by a number of things: dirty lenses, burnt-out bulbs, or even a failing electrical system. Whatever the cause, the result is the same reduced visibility and increased risk of an accident. And trust me, you don't want to be caught in a situation where you can't see where you're going. Make it a habit to check your headlights regularly. Clean your lenses, replace burnt-out bulbs promptly, and if you suspect a problem with the electrical system, get it checked by a professional. Section 5. The unsung hero air dryer filters and your safety. Ever heard of an air dryer filter? Most folks haven't, but trust me, this little guy plays a big role in keeping your truck on the road. It's part of your air brake system, and if it gets clogged, it's bad news bears. See, the air dryer filter removes moisture and contaminants from the air that goes into your brakes. When it gets clogged, moisture builds up, and that can lead to corrosion and brake failure. Not something you want to experience at 70 miles per hour. The good news is that replacing an air dryer filter is a relatively simple and inexpensive maintenance task. Most manufacturers recommend replacing it every year or so, but check your owner's manual for specific recommendations for your truck. Section 6. Rolling right. Tire maintenance for the long haul. Tires. They're your truck's only point of contact with the road, and they take a beating. Proper tire maintenance is crucial for safety, fuel efficiency, and the life of your tires. Underinflated tires are a major problem. They wear faster, decrease fuel efficiency, and increase the risk of a blowout. Overinflating your tires is just as bad, leading to a harsh ride and increased wear on your suspension. Check your tire pressure regularly, and I mean regularly, like every time you fuel up. It only takes a few minutes, and it could save your life. Also, inspect your tires for signs of uneven wear, cuts, or bulges. If you see anything suspicious, get it checked out immediately by a professional. Now, let's talk about a common problem with these DPF system on these latest generation of engines. Your diesel particular builder, DPF, clogs up easily. They are expensive to get cleaned, plus the downtime. DPF has one major enemy that causes it to stop up quicker. That is idling. The more you idle your truck, the quicker the DPF will clog up. So anything like the no idle systems or APUs, auxiliary power unit, will help a lot on cutting down the idle time. The fuel savings is sweet also. These trucks burn between 0.6 to 1 gallon of fuel every hour of idling. So if you can cut idling out, you have less maintenance. Section 7, conclusion, your truck, your responsibility. We've covered a lot of ground today. Brakes, wipers, headlights, air dryer filters, and tires. Each of these components plays a crucial role in the overall performance and safety of your truck. Neglecting even one can lead to serious consequences. These are just a few of the hidden faults that can sabotage your rig and put you at risk. Imagine being stranded on a desolate highway because of a preventable issue. It's not just inconvenient, it's dangerous. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. With a little bit of effort and attention to detail, you can keep your truck running smoothly and avoid unexpected breakdowns. Taking care of your truck is more than just a job. It's a responsibility. It's about ensuring that your vehicle is in top condition every time you hit the road. This responsibility extends beyond just you. It affects everyone around you. It's about protecting yourself, your livelihood, and the other folks sharing the road with you. Regular inspections, timely repairs, and a little bit of preventative maintenance go a long way. These small steps can make a big difference in your safety and the safety of others. And a little bit of preventative maintenance go a long way. Think of it as an investment in your future. The time and effort you put into maintaining your truck now will pay off in the long run. So next time you're about to hit the road, take a few minutes to give your truck a once-over. Check your fluids, your lights, your tires. These simple checks can prevent major issues down the line. Your lights, your tires. Make sure everything is in working order. A small issue caught early can save you from a big headache later. Look for anything out of the ordinary. Unusual sounds, leaks, or wear and tear can be early signs of a problem. Addressing these issues promptly can prevent them from becoming major repairs. And if you're not sure about something, ask a professional. There's no shame in seeking help when you need it. A trained mechanic can spot issues you might miss and provide valuable advice. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Taking these precautions can give you peace of mind and keep you on the road longer. Remember, a little dirt never hurt anyone. But a little neglect can lead to big problems. Keep your truck clean and well-maintained to avoid unnecessary issues. Don't let a preventable issue ruin your day or your career. Stay vigilant and proactive in your maintenance routine. Keep on trucking and stay safe out there. Your truck is your livelihood, and taking care of it is taking care of yourself. Safe travels, coffee, up, hammer, down.